Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told when polynomial g of x is divided by x minus 4, the remainder is 3. We're asked which of the following statements about g of x must be true. So what does this first sentence mean? Well, the only conclusion that you can draw from this sentence is that when you plug in x is equal to 4, the value of g of x will be 3. Okay? This correlates with b, g of 4 is equal to 3. There is no calculations you can do here that would lead you to get to this point. You just have to know that when you're dividing by x minus 4 and the remainder is 3, that is equal to this relationship. The only way you would be able to do this is if you could find examples of A, C, and D which prove it false. However, you're on a time crunch with the SAT, and therefore it would not be in your best interest to do that. So this is the sort of problem where if you don't recognize this relationship, right, or don't remember it, then you just have to guess. And one way you could guess is by saying if x minus 4 is a factor of g of x and the remainder would be 0, right? You could recognize that, but even then that's something you sort of have to remember. Your answer is B. I don't really like this question, but I'm just doing it because it's in the book. This is the relationship you have to remember. If you're dividing by a factor and the remainder is that means when you plug in the number that is being subtracted in the factor, the value is going to be this, and B is your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.